The Greener Electric Pressure Washer 3800 is a powerhouse of performance, delivering a maximum of 3,800 pounds per square inch water pressure and 1.76 gallons per minute water flow, thanks to its upgraded copper core motor. This pressure washer makes cleaning effortless with its 50-foot-long hose extending the range of use, eliminating the need for constant movement during use, making tasks such as car washing, yard cleaning, and house maintenance easier and more efficient. The safety of the user is paramount with this electric power washer, equipped with a total stop system, a ground fault circuit interrupter, and a safety lock on the water hose handle, providing peace of mind when in use. The Greener Electric Pressure Washer 3800 features adjustable nozzle options and a soap cannon, allowing for a seamless transition of water flow angle from small to large sizes, eliminating the inconvenience of frequent nozzle changes. This pressure washer is organized and built to last, with an all-in-one storage design that provides multiple storage options, ensuring convenient and tidy storage of all accessories, eliminating the hassle of searching for misplaced parts or tangled cords. Greener is committed to providing quality products and impeccable customer service, ready to assist with any questions or concerns regarding the operation of the product.